Hey everybody, this is Kellen from Electric Wheelchairs USA. This video we want to do an unboxing of the Vulcan Portable Power Lift. So this is a lift that weighs just 22 pounds. It's a scissor lift that can lift up to 110 pounds of weight. And this was designed to help people that have like a folding mobility scooter or folding electric wheelchair, and it helps them lift it to the level of the trunk of their vehicle so they can put it into their vehicle. And then when they get to their destination, they lift the lift up and then put it back on the lift and they lower it back down. So it's a cheaper alternative than to purchase a lift that you would put in the back of your vehicle. So it's just like an alternative option that you could use. So we're just gonna go into the unboxing just to show you what to expect. And I will tell you that this is already assembled, so there's really not much to it. Here's the lift. I'm just going to pull it right out. So we also have this bag on the side here, which has your charger. There's also the user manual for this, but there's two little the back side of the button, so you actually just put it on here. It should clip right in. So this is just a little storage, but I think what you can do is put the little remote that lowers it back down. You can store it in this little bag. Just prevents it from getting damaged. So I'll just show you on the other side. So you charge it on here from the charger, but also you plug this into the actual battery, which is right here. So you just line up these three prongs right here. So now we got that plugged in, and then there's also, it's kind of hard to see, but there's a power button right here. So I believe I just powered it on. You can see the joystick is now, little remote control is now lit up. So the plus sign is going to release it. So I just released it just slightly so I can get this through. Looks like this come off, so let me put that back on. So I'm just gonna hold this plus sign down. Whenever I let go, it's gonna stop. And you can see we have these supporting wheels that come out, gives you more stability. Looks like we have a Velcro strap here that is wrapped around. So I'm gonna lower this back down. There we go. So I wanna get it to the tallest position and we'll measure it so we can see how tall it gets from the ground to the highest position. All right, so now we're at the highest position. We are giving away a free mobility scooter. Now, from the past of doing this giveaway, this is an authentic giveaway too, guys. We're actually giving these away to real people. This is not something that's set up. We give these to real people that actually subscribe and comment on our videos. But what we're finding is that a lot of times people are hard to get a hold of, and we want to give away to people that are supporting us. So moving forward, if you want to be eligible for this, all you have to do is comment on any video, subscribe to our channel, and then once you've done those things, send us an email at giveaway@electricwheelchairsusa.com. We'll put that on the screen, and then put your username of your YouTube name, and we're gonna verify that you subscribed and you commented, and we'll have your email, so then we'll be able to let you know if you are one of the winners of our next giveaway. So just wanted to share that with you. So from the floor to the top, the highest position, we're at 36 inches. So yeah, this would be for, you could put this in here again to not get it damaged. zip it up. You could store additional things in here as well. You could probably put the charger in here. These straps this is what you would use to tie down your wheelchair, your scooter. Let's get some measurements of this too. So it looks like this is about 15.5 inches wide, or about 28.5 inches in length. So you'll also notice too on the wheels, I can flip all of these up, so these are all unlocked. So now you can just wheel this over to your car or wherever you need to wheel it to. And then once you get it right up next to your car, you would use your feet to lock these down so it doesn't move around especially when you're taking the electric wheelchair off of here. So I'm going to demonstrate them. I have a folding electric wheelchair. It's actually the Pegasus Plus HD. So let's bring that in. We'll demonstrate how to load that onto here, and we'll kind of show you what to expect when you are putting it in the back of your vehicle.
Hey, I just want to let you know real quick, we do have a physical catalog that we can send to you, and it is free. It's not of all of our products, but it is of our top sellers. You can give us a call at the number below and just provide your information to the representative that answers, and we'll get it sent out to you. You can also click on free catalog at the top of our website, just fill out that short form and submit it. And once we receive that information, you'll receive that catalog in about 10 days. All right, back to the video.
So one other thing I wanted to show about this, this little remote that will lift it and up or down. The wires are actually secured by some zip ties. So you can see it's actually a little bit longer. So I can snip these and this will come out pretty far if you wanted to do that. I don't think it's necessary, but for now, to demonstrate, we have a folding electric wheelchair, which is in the folded position. And all the wheels are unlocked. So I'm going to lower this back down, and I'm holding the minus sign on the remote control. And you can see as it's folding, those support arms are folding in as well. It makes it more compact when you're storing it. Okay, so now we got the lowest position, and let's actually measure the height at this position. So it's about 10 inches. So if I'm transporting this is what I would do if I want to put it in the back of my vehicle. Remember, we have it on, the wheels are not locked. I would put it up to the electric wheelchair in this case, and again, it can be a folding mobility scooter, and I would lock this into place. So I'm going to lock all of the wheels so it does not move. Now I can lift the chair up, move this remote out of the way, and I can set it like this. So you can set it on that way. That's one way you can do it, or you can set it on long ways. I think it's easy to do it this way. Now you can use the straps to strap it around. You do that at your own risk. So I mean, I'm going to do it without, but you can strap them around this way, and you can strap them around this way. So I mean, I can take it off just to demonstrate, to show you. Me personally, I probably wouldn't use these. It's just an extra step, but if you want to feel more secure when doing this, yes, you can definitely do it. It's why they're there. So let's move this up against the lift, and remember the wheels are now locked into place, so it shouldn't, well, this one is not. So now I'm actually going to put my foot on this other side too. And I'm not lifting the chair, I'm just kind of scooting it on top of the platform. So now we're on top of there. So now you do that strap. I'll do this other strap. So extra security, we can do that. Now, by loading it this way, you don't have to load it onto the lift next to your car. You could be away from your car. Because remember, we have wheels on this. Now I'm gonna just hold the plus sign down. and lift it up, and it looks like this thing keeps coming off. So I think it probably comes off in the process of just getting weight from the wheelchair. And so for reference, the Pegasus Plus HD, it does weigh 58 pounds with the batteries. All right, so I'm going to stop at that point, and now I'm just going to unlock all of the wheels. So now that I've unlocked them, now I can wheel it up to my car, right up to the trunk with it being open, put it right up against it, and then I would lock all of the wheels again, so it does not move. Obviously, I don't have a trunk to put it in right now, but then I would take the straps off, and this is not going to move because the wheels are locked. So then you just take it off, put it in the trunk of your car, lower it back down. But again, this could be used for other things, since it can lift up to 110 pounds of weight. If you wanted to lift maybe your groceries, you could use it for that too. But this is the Vulcan Portable Power Lift. So if you have any questions about it, give us a call. We're open every day. Phone number is 1-800-682-9444. You can also visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful.